Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of the basic Python tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 2, where I'll be showing you guys how to draw a shape in Python. Okay, so we are going to learn how to draw a shape in Python. So let's not waste much time and let's get started. So over here on my screen, as you guys can see, this is again the same Python file in which we guys were working. So over here, we're gonna learn that how you can actually create a shape. Okay. So to do that now, I'm just going to create a few line of code and we're gonna learn it. So we have learned that how you can write your first line of code. Okay. So for that, the first function print, you guys can see there is f, which means that this is a function. And also it says that once you use the print function, what all you guys can put inside it. You guys can use values, you guys can use file, you guys can use flush. Okay, so all this you can use inside the print function. So let's open parentheses, let's open double quote, and I will just type this is a Python beginners. Let's go back. Beginners tutorial, or let's come here, beginners tutorial. Let's close this thing down. I will close this down as well. Now if I just run this line of code, now here you guys can see it shows me that this is a Python beginners tutorial. So now again, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete all of this from here, and I'm just going to copy this particular function and I'm going to just print it underneath. So if I just click on enter, you guys can see it is just increasing in numbers. So control V. So what I can do is I can just create different kind of shapes. Okay. So now let's say over here I just want to create a straight line. So to create a straight line, what I need to do is I need to come here, then the same thing I need to put this shape again, again, and again right over here. And now if I just run this set of code right now, you guys can see there is this straight line. But instead of this straight line, let's say if you want to create some kind of triangle. Okay, so I'll just come here, and again what I can do is I will just take this particular triangle, and let's come here, and I'll just go with this, and now let's go with 3 spaces, and now the sign, and lastly 1 2 3 4, and or let's come here, and I do want to close it down 1 2 3 4, and now lastly let's go with this, and this is a particular shape. So now if I just run this code, okay, and if you just come here, let's go with double quote, and over here we all do have these double quote. So I will just close this, I will just close this, or let me just come here and let me just go with a rectangle, let's say. Okay, so now let's come here, 5, and I will come here, and I'll just give it out a space. Now let's come here the same way. I will just put another line. Now let's come here, line, and again. And what I can do is I can just delete all of this, which I had. So I will just come here and let's delete. Let's come here as well. Now let's come here, and on top let's just try to give some line over here as well. Okay, so if you do want to make a rectangle, you guys can just make a rectangle quite the way I do have showed you. Okay, so let's come here, and somehow this is now a shape. Okay, so if I just click on enter, you guys can see that using different kind of symbols, I do have created a shape. So the thing which I want to teach you guys right now is that the order basically means everything. Okay, so let's say now, as you guys can see, now this is the outcome once I have run, because in the first line of code you guys can see these are the shapes I used, and once your PC is done decoding the first line of code, what it will do is it will then come into the second line. So what it does, it actually follows the number. Okay, and the numbering, or you guys can also say the order in which your code are present, actually depends a lot. Okay, because now if I come here and if I just delete, or if I just cut this first line of code, and now if I just click on enter right over here, you guys can notice that now here you guys can see previously this is how your shape looked like. But now, as I have changed the order of the content present, what will happen now is it will also change now the shape or the result in the console. So now if I just click on run, you guys can see now the shape is being changed. Okay, and from here now again, if you do want to go back, control X, now let's come on top, control V, and you guys can see now if I again run this code, it will again change the shape. So what did we understand from this class is that while we code using different kind of symbols, basically we can run our line of code, and while running our line of code, we also should remember that it actually follows the order. Okay, let's say first it will decode the line 1, then it will decode line number 2, then it will decode line number 3, 4, and so on. Okay, but in here there are different kind of functions which we are going to learn later once we move deeper into our classes, and that time we will understand that if you want to skip a particular set of code, how you are going to do so while running. If you don't want that particular code to run, what are the different functions, what are the different keywords we need to use over here. So yeah, I hope now this particular class is clear as well. So using all of these symbols, we can basically create some rectangles. We can actually create triangles, and totally depends. Okay, so yeah, I hope to see you all in the next chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.